Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about waterfall model. So the waterfall model is a step-by-step way to create something like a project plan so that flows like a waterfall. So each step happens one after another and you don't go back. So it was developed and introduced by Dr. Winston Royce in 1970. So there are 6 phases in waterfall model. So let's discuss each of them. So first phase is requirement analysis. So in this first phase, all the requirements of the software are gathered from the clients or stakeholders. So this includes what the software should do, its features and its constraints. So everything is documented clearly. So and the next phase is system design. So here, based upon the requirements, the architecture and design of the system are created. So this includes database design, user interface design and more. It's like creating a blueprint before building a house. And next phase is implementation phase. So now it's time to turn the design into code. So developers write the actual program using suitable programming languages and technologies. So each module is coded and tested individually. And next fourth phase is testing. After coding we move to testing. So here the complete system is tested to find and fix any bugs. So the goal is to ensure that software works as expected and meet all the requirements. And fifth phase will be deployment phase. So once the testing is done, so the software will be deployed to the user environment or client location. So it is now ready to be used in the real world. And next final phase will be maintenance phase. Even after deployment, so the job isn't over. So in the maintenance phase, updates, bugs, fixes and improvements are made based upon the user feedback and changing needs. So now let's talk about advantages of waterfall model. And first one is easy to understand. So the steps are clear, so everyone knows what to do, perfect for beginners or small teams. And next one is keep the things organized. So with a fixed plan, so there would be no confusion and you can stay on the track. And next one is it works for clear projects. So if you know exactly what you want, like a simple app or a school project, it's a super reliable. And next one is save times up, since you plan everything first, so you can avoid the surprises later. So now let's talk about disadvantages of a waterfall model. So first one is it's not flexible. So once your step is done, changing the things is really hard and expensive. And next problem is problems show up late. So you only test at the end, so big mistakes might not be found until it's too late. Next disadvantage is risky for big projects. So if the customer changes their mind halfway, the plan can fall apart. And next disadvantage is slow for some projects. So you can't start building until all planning is done, so which takes time. So these were the disadvantages of waterfall model. We are still using this waterfall model in some government projects where building software for taxes or public records, so where rules were and plans were not fixed. And we are also using in construction and engineering, where you need a clear plan before starting. And we are also using in medical and safety system, like for things like hospital machines or airplane software, so the changes can't happen midway. And not only that, it also using in small and clear projects, so like a simple website or a school assignment, where you know exactly what's needed. So this is all about waterfall model, and I have already made a video on 6 phases in SDLC. If you haven't watched it yet, I will provide the link in the description to check it out. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.